Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to change language in Gmail on computer. There are many language options you can use in Gmail, including English, Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, and more. Here are some simple steps to change the language in Gmail. Firstly, open a browser on your laptop. And then type gmail.com in the search field. Make sure you're logged in to your Gmail account. Now click on Settings icon here. Click See All Settings. There are language options here. If you want to change the language on other Google services, click here. But if you want to change the language on Gmail only, click on Gmail Display Language. Select the language you want to use. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now you have successfully changed the language in Gmail on your computer. To change it again, do the same thing as before. That's the tutorial on how to change language in Gmail laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.